you hit? Are you hit?
No, I'm good.
Are you hit?
I'm good.
Let me make sure. We hit. Hey, let me get a flash message. Let me get a flash message. We had a silver Nissan take off. The guy got in. He went southbound into 11. We're in the south alley of the Lawndale Division.
Alright, Lawndale and Division. We have a correction. Lawndale and Division South Alley.
They shot somebody. There's a victim in the parking lot of the subway. We chased him. He jumped into the silver Nissan. They took off. They pointed a gun at us. Fuck! Fuck! They're gone! They're gone! They took off in the fucking Nissan. Silver Nissan. Just go find that. We fired shots. They pointed a gun at. Yeah. Go. We're fine. We weren't hit. They took off. Silver Nissan Central Ultima. Fuck! Are you good?
Alright, so the silver Nissan, male black 5'5", dark hoodie, gray sweatpants. He's going to be in the passenger seat of that silver Nissan that took off.
He shot the suspect at Subway. We chased him into this alley. There was a Nissan, the silver Nissan was waiting for him. He jumped in. They pointed the gun at us, and shots were fired. Fuck!
There's an ambulance in
Sir, hey, we need you all out of this area. We need you out of this area, please.
Alright, so we definitely have one person shot. Fire's rolling for that person shot. Again,
Come on, hey, let's go to the car.
Male black 5'5", dark hoodie, gray sweatpants is a passenger. Unknown how many exactly are in that vehicle.
No, that was me because he pointed at you. Or somebody pointed. Somebody, I don't know. Yeah. God damn it. Fuck! Just.
I know.
All right.
I jumped in the fucking
As long as
car.
you're all right, right? I know, I saw you. That's when I. You're good, right?
Let's just go through one more time. We gotta sit here though.
Yeah, we got to sit here.
Okay, 2561 Adam.
Well, that fuck.
61 Adam.
Can you verify if any officers are injured on scene?
No, man, we just checked each other. We're not hit.
Chest pain, just for chest pains.
Let's get an EMS rolling here, though. My partner's got a little chest pain.
We got an ambulance rolling for your partner. Let me know exactly where you are.
3715 West Division in the South Alley. You good?
You're getting cut off.
Good, sit down.
4316 Division.
3715 West Division, squad.
In the alley.
Alright, 3715 West Division for your partner. 10-4 will get EMS rolling.
561, show me your route to where Adam's at.
2561, I got you rolling by
I thought
Adam.
they shot him.
3715.
After you fell, I saw him kind of move his arm.
2533.
Hey, we need another unit over here.
You're in front of 1126 Lawndale. You need another car?
Let's go. We're good.
1126 Lawndale. Let's get another car for 2533. 2523.
All it's on is one over here. We're in the alley of 3715 Division with the squad unit.
I got you on 3715 Division with 6-1 Adam. Let's get another car, 1126 Lawndale for 2533.
2561 Adam. It might have been hit. Just keep eyes open for anybody showing up at the hospital, all right, for the Nissan.
Alright, so some of the Nissan may
fire?
have been struck. Some of the
fire?
Nissan may have been struck. We'll let the
Where are the rounds?
know.
We fired over here.
2500.
Careful what you guys are stopping at.
We went through.
We do. Possible chest pain, 3715 Division in the alley, 2500. 6736.
Fuck, I don't even know. It happened somewhere over here.
At the
Fuck, we did drop the gun.
You did?
over here for this officer. Yep, we got fire rolling. Yep, we got fire rolling. 3715 Division in the alley. 6736 is on scene with him, 2500. Yes, ma'am. I'll send you coming over with the tape, please. Yeah. Alright, let me get some tape. So
Alright, guys, come here.
sergeants with tape, they can head over
I
to
shot one.
3715 Division.
Okay.
My
Where
partner
are the rounds at?
It's got to be somewhere over here.
2550 is around the corner, 10-4. We have,
25 already.
go ahead, 2500.
Because I was like right here.
500, that wasn't me.
So what? I don't have a camera. So
Got a guy that's
We're live.
Okay, what played out?
What's up?
What played out?
They
Alright, 35 has
we're
someone
coming
over yourself
coming
on
eastbound
through the vacant lot. Do we
off
have any
Division,
other-
right? Like kind of around this area.
Everybody's secure. We don't have anybody in
Passerby
custody.
said
No.
there was
Right?
someone
You
that
guys
ran
Okay.
southbound Lawndale through the vacant lot.
We got cleared.